all those views have been gone through, why should you think that youths must be heard in the society?
I think youths must be heard in order to reduce such kind of crimes, theft, death, and all other stupid things that occurs among the youths.
And in addition, the youths must be heard because they are the tomorrow's heads, the tomorrow's leaders. So they must be given the first priority in the government.
The youth have to be heard because it is a constitution requirement.
The elders also should listen to the youths, and the youths should listen to the elders so that they can put things together.
Youths also should be listened to because they have new ideas. Theirs are old, and we have things that are coming up that youth know that we should tell the elder people also to know.
So actually the youth should be heard. If you see our countries are being actually burning, we realize that the leadership that the wazee have or the elder people have actually spending the youth. So we have to be heard so that we reduce this bad rule.
Yeah. Amongst all those that have been said, the youths must be heard in order to eradicate the older cultures that are there, like the cultures among the kisses, the circumcision of ladies. That one should be done away with. Such kind of cultures that are leading to death of our youths, when they are heard, those things will be eradicated and the new ideas will be brought up.
And also, on a serious note, for the calamities to be arrested, the youths must be heard, like drought. You know, once youths are heard, they're given the opportunity, they start doing the job, they'll get enough money to cater for their selves. So the poverty will be erased away.
And lastly, I think the government of this country should come up with some guidelines or organization that equip with experience, so that in every chance that uprises, youth might be equipped with experience to do anything and is well fit there. So experiences should be taught on particular activities such as jobs, whatever, anything that we youths are involved in.
And the government should stop corruption.
Actually, the rule of dictatorship is actually among the elders. So we want to eradicate the rule of dictatorship, and then we brought back our new rule that each and everyone, each youth in the country must enjoy and live.
Also, we would like the government, in politically, we would like the youths also to have campaigns passed, voted in the government, so that youth's voice can be also listened to. We have to have a person who can represent us in the government.
Because the government have failed to create opportunity among the youths. I advise the government to come up with programs that will enable the youths to engage in a tertiary institution, whereby after all they create the opportunity have to be self-employment. Yeah, i.e. the Ngazi program.
And also, as the saying goes, that charity begins at home. The parents also to be given the chances of educating the youths, because in most cases we found that the parents also are negligent and they leave the children or youth in a way that they cannot be people who are useful maybe in the future.
And lastly, the youths will be hard because the way of idleness is actually very high. So as the government should just look at something that can make youths very busy. Maybe as those small organizations might just give up for grants. So busy and make their social.
And for that, I want to thank this program of Ngazi. For sure it has assisted a lot. Like in areas like in Bunyala, you can find that there is a large number of people who are maybe shortly educated.